Alright, so the sun comes up and you're ready to do some fishing. That's your favorite fishing hole. This looks like a likely spot to me. First thing you're going to need is a loaf of bread. So, I use white bread. You can use honey wheat bread, but the white bread works the best in my experience. So you want to start with a piece of bread, mash it up like so, bust it in half, rub it on your hand like so. Mix lots of chum. You just want to toss it out there in the water. See if you can get them excited. Scatter it around. You know they're in there, right? Been here before. Okay. Now I'm ready to bait up. I just used the smashed bread. Little tiny hooks. Kind of mold it around the hook. Leave the barb exposed. See how little these hooks are. It's like my thumbnail. Size of your thumbnail. See if there's anything in there. Saw one blast the top of the water. They're here. There we go. Ah, got one. Well, that's a big bluegill. No doubt about that. 10-inch bluegill. Let's see here. Should we give him a flying lesson? Contact! Alright, hold still, bluegill. Getting the spins there. It's easy as that. 1, 2, 3. You want to free line it down with the chum. Big bluegills are smart. Got him. That's a big one. That's a hog of a bluegill. Look at that. Look at my hand up next to it. It's a hog of a bluegill. What's that you say? Contact! No. Free flying lessons, here you go. Ah, contact. one up under the pier. That's where the big ones reside. Here we go. Come on, take it, take it. Gotcha. Looks like a good one. Yeah, that's a meaty one. Mr. Meaty. Look at that. That's a big bluegill. Not a giant, but a big one. Nothing wrong with eating that. What's that you say? Contact! Contact! Oh, contact!